Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to do a simple worship song by Jonathan Reynolds, God is Good. And I'm going to be playing in the key of B flat. Alright, so let me play the song and then show you the chords that I used. So basically that's the whole song. I'm playing it my own way. Okay, so this is the first chord. Chord 1, then chord 3, then chord 4. So come back to the 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5. Then it continues again. The second chord over the fifth, 5 on the left and then 2 on the right. Then you start again. Then here you play 4. Then you play the passing chord. Then you play 6. Then 3, 2, 5, then 1. So that's the whole song. Thank you for watching, and I hope it helps you to play the song. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.